Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a scrollable website in Canva. Canva offers a fantastic, user-friendly platform for creating stunning websites without needing any coding knowledge. The great news is that all websites you build in Canva are inherently scrollable by default, making it easy to present extensive content. We will explore how to leverage its features to design an engaging online presence. First, let's focus on structuring your website layout. You can begin by choosing one of Canva's many professional templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. To achieve a scrollable design, simply arrange your text, images, and other elements vertically down the page. Think of it as building a long, continuous document that users will scroll through to view all your information. Now, let's talk about adding and optimizing your content. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly simple to place text boxes, high-quality images, and even videos onto your website. Pay close attention to spacing and alignment to give your site a professional and clean look. Grouping related elements helps guide your visitors' eyes and enhances the overall user experience. Finally, publishing and sharing your scrollable Canva website is straightforward. Once your design is complete, you can publish it directly from Canva, often with a free domain name provided. You will receive a unique link to share your new website across social media, email, or any other platform. Remember, you can always go back and make updates. Your changes will appear live almost instantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.